all! Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple peekaboo card. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it. I'm sure you'll be loving the content. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. Educational toys for your kids, then you must definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com. You can find grade-wise and age-wise educational toys over there. Without delay, quickly visit our website and grab some interesting kits for your kids. Fun to make, so do give it a try yourself and share your work with us on Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected with Sparklebox.